Have you ever wondered why it feels like everyone around you has more money? Maybe your friends, colleagues, or even people you follow online. If you feel so, you're not alone. Today, we are going to dive into why it feels like everyone around you is richer than you and what you can do about it. Let's get started. Number one reason is upward comparison trap. At some point in life, we have all fallen into this trap of comparing our finances with others. Maybe we see our friends buying new homes, new cars, or taking exotic vacations. Looking at all of this, it is very easy for us to think that we are not doing well enough, or maybe we need more in order to be happy. This habit is called upward financial comparison trap. And what this does is it makes you feel inadequate and stressed about your financial situation, even if you're doing just well. What we often forget is that everyone's financial journey is different and unique. The platforms like Facebook and Instagrams often showcase the highlight reels of other people's lives, including those exotic vacations and expensive purchases. This is a manipulated perception of reality where many people compare their everyday lives with this well curated and often well exaggerated reality of other people's lives. When we see others spending their money very freely, it is very easy for us to think that they are doing financially well. What we often forget is that everyone's financial situation is different and unique. Who knows that the person with a flashy car might be having a huge loan to pay? That friend on an exotic vacation might have saved for years, and that friend who has bought a new home might have come with a hefty mortgage and high maintenance cost. All I want to say is that appearances can be deceiving, and comparison is a thief of joy. In order to avoid falling into such traps, it is very important for us to shift our focus inward. Number two reason is you're forgetting about the trade-offs. We often don't see the trade-offs that come with earning high income. Many people, those who earn a lot of money, often make sacrifices that we wouldn't want to make. They might be working for 100 hours per week, constantly attending meetings, or missing out on family time. While it might seem like they have it all, earning high income often comes at a cost. They might be feeling stressed, exhausted, or even have no time to enjoy the money that they make. They might be missing out on important moments like birthdays, holidays, or just spending quality time together. All I want to say is do not compare your chapter 1 with somebody else's chapter 20. Looking at somebody else's high income, it is very easy for us to feel envious. But we need to remember the hidden sacrifices that they make behind it. Everyone has different priorities, and what may seem as valuable to one person might not be of any worth to another. So instead of comparing ourselves, we need to focus on what makes us truly fulfilled and happy in life. For many of you, balancing your work, personal time, and family might bring more satisfaction than high income ever could. Reason number three is your spending is in misalignment with your core values. When your spending does not match your core values, it is going to make you feel like you're falling behind. For example, you value saving money for future, but you end up spending a lot of money on items that you don't care about. It is going to make you feel like you're not making a real progress. Core values are the fundamental beliefs that lead us to our decisions and actions. It reflects what we truly care about, maybe financial security, family, relationships, personal growth, or experiences. When our spending habits align with our core values, it is going to bring us long-lasting happiness and satisfaction. Imagine you value saving money for future, like building an emergency fund or planning out for your retirement. But instead, you end up spending a lot of money on buying trendy clothes or latest gadgets. Such purchases is going to give you temporary excitement, but it is not going to fulfill your long-term financial goals. Over time, this is going to lead to feelings of regret, frustration, and even a sense of not making a real progress. Impulse purchases and spending money on non-essential items can give you a quick thrill, but it is not going to give you a long-lasting happiness. In contrast, spending money that aligns with your core values, like investing in your hobbies or saving and investing money for future, is going to bring you long-lasting happiness. Spending money just to keep up with others or just to project an image about yourself, such a spending is never going to satisfy you because it does not come from a place of genuine need or desire. Instead, it has been driven by external pressures and desire for social validation. Number four reason is you are living by someone else's definition of success. When you live your life based on someone else's definition of success, it can make you feel like you're falling behind in life. Society often equates success with material possessions like fancy cars, big homes, or latest gadgets. If you measure your own success based on such societal standards, then it is going to make you feel like you are inadequate. This focus on material possession as a sign of success is often misleading. Having these items may seem like a symbol of achievement, but it does not reflect our true happiness. Many people showcase their material wealth, but this does not show the full picture of their lives, their personal struggles, or their personal fulfillment. There is a quote that says, "Success is not the key to happiness, but happiness is the key to success." If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. If you base your sense of success on such external markers, then it is going to make you feel like you're inadequate and pressurize you to keep up with others. In order to feel more content and less behind in life, it is very important to define your own success based on what truly matters to you. Focus on your personal goals, values, and achievements rather than comparing yourself with societal standards or material possessions of others. Number five reason is undefined enough. When you have not clearly defined what enough means for you, you're always going to feel like you're falling behind. Without a personal benchmark for success, you're always going to compare yourself to others, feeling inadequate even if you're doing just well. Defining what enough means to you, whether it is certain income level or financial goal, helps you to stay focused on your own journey and feel more content with your achievements. If you have not defined your enough, then you're always going to chase for more, believing that more money, more possessions, or more achievements are needed to make you feel content. This constant pursuit is going to lead to feeling never accomplished or content, no matter how much you have achieved. That is why it is very important to focus on your own journey rather than comparing yourself to others, because everyone has different circumstances and their own definition of success. At the end, all I want to say is that it is very easy for you to fall into the trap of thinking that you are behind everyone else. But true wealth isn't just about money. It is about personal fulfillment, relationships, and health. Focusing on gratitude and what you have can shift your entire perspective. So next time, if you feel like everyone has more money than you, take a step back and consider the bigger picture.